Today, on behalf of Apollo Hospital, I am going to address all my diabetic, hypertensive, ischemic heart, COPD, bronchial asthma, and other patients with chronic disorders like malignancies, kidney transplant, and rheumatological disorders. All of you have been at home for almost a year and 3 months, and especially in the last 2 months. Now, all these chronic diseases, as you all are aware, requires periodic checkup, visiting the doctors, doing the blood tests, getting your diseases under control. Now, because of the pandemic that happened, quite a few of them stayed at home out of fear and tried to monitor your diseases on your own. Now that things have opened up and now we have all the OPDs running in our hospital, I request all of you to come back and get yourselves checked. Now I'm going to address each of the diseases one by one and tell you why you should do that. Now the diabetics, it's not enough that you do fasting postprandial at home and say okay, it's okay, so I'm fine. Now diabetes is a progressive disease and it affects the eyes, the heart, the kidney, the brain and even the nerves. Now we usually do a periodic checkup, as you all know. We do the HbA1c, we do kidney functions, we check the heart, we check the nerves. Now all these things would have gone out of control because during the pandemic you didn't exercise much. Probably you ate a lot of food and you didn't monitor anything other than the sugar. So come to the hospital, get all these things checked and get it under control. Now the second group of people are the hypertensives. Hypertension, as you all know, even if the blood pressure readings are normal, it has effect on the kidney and on the heart. So a whole lot of investigation needs to be done periodically to get your hypertension under control. You probably have to see a cardiologist as well as a nephrologist if need be. Now the most important group are the COPDs, the smokers and the asthmatics. You all already have a compromised lung and you all have been taking medication on your own. So come get your lung checked, maybe an X-ray, maybe a pulmonary function test and get your lung into fit order. As you know, COVID is a disease which affects the lung badly, and if you already have a pre-existing lung condition, you could do really bad. Now the cardiac patients, again, it's a warning for you people. You people have been at home resting. In fact, you people were advised to do basic cardiovascular workout so that your cardiovascular fitness is in order. Now because of this pandemic, probably you all stayed at home, didn't go for a walk. Not many people must have exercised at home. So come to the cardiologist, get your echo done, get your ECG done. If required, do a TMT and get your cardiac medications adjusted. Now same thing applies to all those who have had malignancies, kidney diseases, rheumatological disorders. Now why I am telling you this is we don't know whether the third wave is coming in. And we know now that for the next 1 or 2 months, things have opened up and this is the right time to come to the hospital and get yourself checked up.